Um, hey guys. I did my first unboxing this morning. And here's the remnants of the box and the bird feeder. But I forgot to press play when I was recording it. So, anyway, you can see by the tears and stuff, I was very excited and a little mystified how it all worked. Because a lot of times I'll get things and it'll just all end up in a corner like that in my basement because I can't figure out how to put it together. But I did. Ooh, I should flip this around. I don't know how to do it. Anyway, put it together because this is the pole. And that goes together like that. And the pole then, other way around. Oh my God, it screws together like that. And that goes into the ground, the bottom part, obviously. And then this is the bird feeder. And so you can see there's the hole where it goes on top. And voila. And see, there's the plug-in. I need to put an extension cord for outside. I didn't realize I had to do all that. But I think it's going to be a pretty darn nice bird feeder. Sorry not to, give you the full show, so to speak, because I unwrapped it without, pressing play. And here's my newspaper this morning. Nicely put there. I didn't do that on purpose. But anyway, it's not frozen because it's got a plastic wrapper on it. Thank God. Canada's, I think we're pretty smart about things. I mean, they fucked up with my other one that was frozen to the ground. But now they figured it out. I think they watched my channel. They saw, I did swear when I threw that newspaper, the frozen newspaper.